Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. Imagine you have a data set with multiple variables, and you want to compute a rolling average for each of them using the rollapplyr function from the zoo package. The catch is you need different window widths for each column without pivoting the data to a long format. Tricky, right? Now let's talk about the solution. By utilizing case_match, or case_when, along with the across function in dplyr, you could dynamically set the window size based on the column name. It's like customizing the window width tailored to each variable. Pretty neat, huh? This approach allows for a flexible and efficient way to calculate rolling averages for different subsets of your data. To wrap things up, we've covered a clever method to compute rolling averages with varying window widths for different columns in your dataset. By leveraging the power of case_match, or case_when, alongside across, and the rolling_f function, you can efficiently process your data without the need to reshape it. Remember, adaptability is key when working with diverse datasets. Keep exploring, stay curious, and until next time, happy coding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite coding joke. It's always great to connect with fellow data enthusiasts.